Hey, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in today's video I'm going to go over 3 things that could help your company bring in more customers today. Most likely you're sitting there asking what's in it for me and why am I doing this? Well, the simple answer is that oftentimes in the world of the internet, most business owners are too busy running their company to learn how the internet can truly benefit them. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who an expert is and who isn't. I've found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan of things that they could do themselves to positively impact their business has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, "I like you, Craig. Please help me out." So if by the end of this video you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this you simply want to take this free plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to say is you want to make sure that you're always posting more commonly in here. I see the most recent post was June 9th, and you have a bunch from 2021, so try to update that and get more reviews. Now looking onto the websites, which is what we specialize in, your number 1 competition is McCoy Contractors. As you can see, when I type in Foundation Repair Milwaukee, they pop up right here. Now looking at their website, it's nice, clean, but what's more important is their content, which is the first thing I'll talk about. You want to have at least 1,500 words, so they're falling just short. But more importantly, the keywords. You want to make sure you're using keywords you want to be found for. So foundation, repair, basement, concrete, cracks, whatever it is you want to be found for. The next thing I want to talk about is citations. Looking here, we can see that the map pack is right here. Now to get to the top of that, you need to have citations. Now if we look at citations, the accurate basement repair is number 1. They only have 56. That's nothing. I always have my clients do 200 to 300. And what citations are simply your name, address, and phone number registered into directories such as Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, City Star, BBB, things like that. Now the third thing I want to talk about is the most important, and that's going to be backlinks and link juice. So what a backlink is simply a link from one website to another website, and it's giving it power. As we can see here that the McCoy Contractors website has 1.9k backlinks. So the way it works is basically site A points to site B. The power from site A going to site B is link juice, and what it does is it tells Google that they have authority. This is very important because it's basically a popularity contest for Google on who they put at the top. So the more authority, the top of Google you'll be. So as you can see, they're drawing in also 408 traffic. So they're getting 408 clicks a month. Now in conclusion, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed content and how you need to have 1,500 words on that homepage. Secondly, we discussed citations and how you want to have 200 to 300 of those to beat out your competition. Thirdly, we discussed link juice and backlinks and how you want to have the most sites pointing at you to show Google you're the authority. Now if you implement these strategies today, you could easily start growing and be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can either take the information I just gave you and do it all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. Thank you.